Crip Matt beats it up with
Let's
Locovision.
go ahead and keep it 55th Street. Now, I'm going to go ahead and keep it 55th Street whether motherfuckers like it or not, yeah? So let's go ahead and say it. I love other states. I love fans in other states, all the big booty, beautiful bitches. But you want to get political about the gangbanging shit? We going to go ahead and get political. You motherfuckers in Texas and other states. Y'all neighborhood Crips out there, y'all Crips out there love the snooze. Y'all all is a big let's get along ass gang type shit, nigga. It ain't nothing like that out here, nigga. We politic off of different streets out here, nigga. Niggas lose love fires from different motherfucking hoods, nigga. It's no Crip love type shit out here, nigga. We don't press that type of shit out here, nigga. This Hoover killer on my motherfucking head, yeah, it pretty much is what it is, nigga. And I really don't give a fuck, huh? I'ma go ahead and keep it 55th Street. So can't nobody say the politics from out there is the same as out here, nigga. Cause from the county jails and the penitentiary, there ain't nothing never like us, nigga. Now shout out all the fans, all the big booty cinches around the world. I love y'all, cuz. But all you old weird ass niggas, cuz, that's banging out of state, bring y'all custer asses up out here, nigga. And go in these alleys and get these real put-ons, nigga. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it 55th Street. I'm not seeing nice. And anybody that know me, cub, from past tense on neighborhood Crip, bring your ass out here, nigga. Y'all always say a friendly fight ain't nothing friendly, nigga. I'ma tramp treat you, cub. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it 55th Street. Chunky neighborhood.
Your gang and shit, your hood, cuz. Nigga, we even went as far, man, to start pulling for you, man, against Charleston White, man. We like, yeah, fuck Charleston White. We fucking with cuz.
If you can always pay in cash, you don't need help.
Cuz, get that nigga, cuz, right? But you a youngster, my nigga, you 28. We was pulling for you, cuz, how you feeding people, nigga. That shit can't be matched, nigga. Ain't nobody doing it like you, nigga. Feeding people, little cuz. Like a motherfucker, homie. Nigga, clothing people, nigga. Helping out random people, cuz. Doing it by yourself, nigga. Getting it out the motherfucking mud, nigga. How can we not fuck with that? Any nigga trying, all the little homies from out here, nigga. Neighborhoods and shit, nigga. Cuz again, my name is Loco, cuz. I'm 47 years old, little daddy. I've been banging over 30 years, cuz. I've been gang banging and doing all this old shit, fucking my life up for over 30 years, little homie, right? Cuz you 28 years old, my nigga. You get where I'm going, don't you? I want you to get it. I want you to come in a minute, but I want you to listen first, boy. I want to explain something to you, little man. And all the rest of you niggas that's out here thinking y'all can protocol how we do anything in Texas, my nigga. We mind our business in Texas. Nigga, we been doing this shit, homie. Before you was even born, cuz. Before you even came to the world, cuz. Full-fledged, nigga, losing our loved ones to this shit, nigga, when it was cracking. But nigga, that time would never come again, nigga. The shit you chasing, nigga. It ain't even there no more, nigga. This false ass. That's your shit, cuz. We just laugh like, oh, cuz extras with it. He just wild. But nigga, are you fucking serious, man? Are you serious, homie? Because you mad because we have relationships with Hoovers, with trains, with Mexicans, with Bloods, with Pyrus, with GDs, with whoever we want to have a motherfucking relationship with, nigga. Because we already been where you trying to go, son. We already lost homies down here, nigga, and we ain't nothing like LA. We know we nothing like LA, and we thank God that we nothing like LA, nigga. We can't imagine having to live like that, nigga. We got it bad our own motherfucking self down here, though.
What up? This is Money Low on the Money Low channel. All right, here go the commentary. On this one, I'm neutral. C-Mac and B Loco, they're my homies. I've known C-Mac since he was, back in the days, he used to sweep the store at the Marathon store for Nipsey and shit. That's what he used to do. You know, he came from sweeping to where he at right now. So I got much love for his grind. B Loco is rolling 60 like me. That's my big homeboy, straight up. That nigga's an international 60 and he will come looking for your ass, straight up. So, you know, you don't want to piss him off, straight up. So, straight up, much love to the homie, Locovision, Crip City nigga up in here, nigga. Much love to C-Mac, my nigga, neighborhood, my nigga. But now, here it go. If we was in prison, it don't matter where you from, what neighborhood you from. 6-0 is 6-0, nigga. Straight up. C-Mac, not a 6-0, but he neighborhood. So you already know who I'm riding with, nigga. 6-0, nigga. We out. Much love to C-Mac, my nigga. So I'm neutral on this, though. I'm neutral on this one. Straight up. Y'all make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the Money channel. Tell me what y'all think. Was C-Mac wrong for coming at Loco like that? Loco didn't say nothing disrespectful. He responded back how he's supposed to respond back. In my text, straight up. That's what gangsters do. Is C-Mac trying to see the homie? What's happening? Y'all let me know in the comments. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the new Money channel. And we out. C-Mac beats it up with B Loco, rolling 60 Crip from Texas. Locovision. We out.